Okay, this one happens to me a lot. This is my personal not favorite. My printer just won't print, especially when I'm in a hurry. It won't print. It just says, you know what? I print all the time, but right now I am not printing. Okay, if and when that happens to you, this is what you do. You quickly go to Devices and Printers, and you right click on this, on your printer. So all of these are not really printers, these are just like printer modules. They use the printer protocol, but they're not actually printers. You'll know which one is your printer. It usually will say something like LaserJet 200 or Epson or Canon or whatever printer you have. Anyway, you want to right click on the printer that is acting up and go to remove device. Now I know what you're thinking, oh my god, remove device, I don't know if I'm going to get it back on, this is going to be a horrible thing, this is going to be a horrible thing to do, etc. No. Remove it, make sure it's gone, okay? Turn off your printer, turn it back on, hit add printer, wait a second after the printer is back on, you'll see it right here, hit next, and you've successfully cleared out the jobs that are stuck. And if the printer is fine and the ink is fine and the paper jam is fine and everything is good, but it just wasn't receiving the job to print, well, now it will, and now it will print right away. Let me know if that works for you. Let me know what you think. Alright. Okay, so I went ahead and added printer. I went ahead and added the printer. This is another step. Oh, you should tune in for this. Okay, I went ahead and added printer. It automatically finds it every time as long as your printer has been back online. And just add it, and it will use the drivers from before. So you don't have to do any extra installations. You don't have to go to the HP website and download anything. All you have to do is add the printer again, and it will find it, and it will add it right away. Print test page and all that, no need. Just hit finish, and then try printing again. And that should do it. Okay, now let me know what you think, and leave a comment to let everyone know if that worked for you. It does help when you let people know. Alright, tune in for the next one. Thanks. Bye.